Naruto Uzumaki.
Do not turn off your device. This is not a test. This is a statewide emergency. National authorities have issued a statewide warning for Illinois. Yesterday the E6-27 virus made its way throughout the Chicago metro area and has officially spread across the state of Illinois, with cases in Peoria, Springfield, Rockford, Champaign, Moline, Rock Island, Quincy. There has been an estimated 32,000 deaths. The E6-27 virus spread to the brain once you catch it and lowers your IQ by 90%. If anyone you know has any of these symptoms, call 911 immediately. Shrinks in height, vomiting, darted eye, can't speak a human language, and talks in nonsense or gibberish. The E6-27 disease has spread to Wisconsin, Indiana, Michigan, Iowa, Ohio, Missouri, and Kentucky. It takes 1 hour for this virus to turn you non-human. Other species are affected, so make sure to protect your pets. Stay in a shelter that is not easy to break into. The United States Army and Air Force will supply us. This is a message transmitted by the Illinois state government.